Now friends, exercise 3.4, 3.5, it's question number 4. Uska second, we have to form the two linear equation and by using any method, here a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added in the numerator. In the denominator, friends, here we start. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. हमारा जो फ्रैक्शन होता है सपोज 7 by 8, तो a क्या है न्यूमरेटर, a क्या है डिनोमिनेटर. So we assume let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. The required fraction is x upon y, which we have to find. Friends, here a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Yani from the given data, a given information, we can write 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So this is our original data. This is our original fraction x upon y. 1 is subtracted from numerator, yani x minus 1 upon y. The fraction became 1 by 3, so we write here 1 by 3. Fraction 1 by 3, so we write here 1 by 3. Once again, 1 subtract, this is our original fraction. 1 subtract from the numerator, we got here 1 by 3. 1 subtract from numerator, we got 1 by 3. Now we get equation here, friends. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, minus 3 is equal y. So we got here 3x minus y minus 3 is equal 0. Give it number 5. Now, from the second data, from the given data, 8 is added to its denominator. 8 is added to its denominator. So we write x, y, ये हमारा पुराना फ्रैक्शन, ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन, डिनोमिनेटर में हमको y ऐड करना है. The fraction became 1 by 4, so we write here 1 by 4. The fraction is 1 by 4, so we write here 1 by 4. Once again I explain you here. This is the original fraction added in a denominator. We got the fraction 1 by 4. Okay, this is the original fraction. 8 is added in denominator. The new fraction we got 1 upon 4. Okay, friends. Here we got the second equation here. X upon y plus 8 is equal 1 by 4. 4 into x for x. Here y plus 8. For x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now friends, these two equations we solve with using the method of cross multiplication, elimination or substitution. But before that, from exercise 3.4 इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन हमारा x upon y है। If we add 1 in a numerator, subtract 1 in a denominator, the fraction became 1. And if this is the original fraction, if you add 1 in denominator, you get 1 by 2. And from here we got two equations, and those two equations we solve with using the method of elimination. Here we take the method of cross multiplication, friends. Here we write two equations together first. 3x minus y minus 3 is equal 0. 4x minus y minus 8 is equal 0. Now friends, here we write standard form. For the cross multiplication method, you have to write the standard form first. Now x, y and 1, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Write the coefficient of it. 3, 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 8. Now arrange the coefficient. X upon y upon 1 upon x के नीचे आएगा -1 -1 -3 -8, y के नीचे आएगा -3 -8 -3 -8 and 3 and 4, and 1 के नीचे आएगा 3 and 4 -1 -1। फिर से x के नीचे हमको ऐसे ये दोनों को लिखना है -1 -1 -3 -8, y के नीचे पहले -3 -8 फिर 3 4, and 1 के नीचे 3 4 -1 -1। Now do cross multiplication here. X upon, be alert, -1 into -8. Write this step, friends, compulsory. -3 into -1. Y upon -3 into 4, -3 into 4 minus 3 into -8. 3 into -8 is equal 1 upon 3 into -1 minus -1 into 4. Now we write here x upon negative negative positive negative 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 -3. Keep y as it is, negative into positive -12 and minus plus 24, and 1 upon -3 plus 4. So we got here x upon 5, y upon 12, and here 1 upon 1. X upon 5 is equal 1 and y upon 12 is equal 1. So x is equal 5 and y is equal 12. We got the value of x and y. The required fraction is x upon y is equal 5 by 12. So this sum we solve on this way, friends. It's very easy and very simple. Enjoy this sum, friends. Thank you very much.